So students, in class 9th, subject science, chapter 1st, matter around us. In this chapter, we will study today matter. What is matter? Anything which occupies space and have mass is called matter. Now, physical nature of matter. So matter is made up of small particles, and the size of these particles is so small that it is out of our imagination. Now, characteristics of matter particles. So it has following characteristics. Number one, matter particles have space between them. So there is space between the particles of matter. This can be explained as that when we add 1 spoon salt in water in glass, when we add 1 spoon salt in water in a glass, suddenly its level increases, but after some time it returns back to its original level. This is because the particles of salt, common salt, enters in the space between the particles of water, because there is space between the particles. So when we mix two or more matter, their particles gets in the space between them. Now second, matter particles move continuously. Matter particles move continuously because they have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Moving particles have kinetic energy, and when the temperature is increased, their kinetic energy increases and their speed also increases, and they move faster. By the use of these 2 points, we can describe the diffusion. What is diffusion? When we add one matter into other, or several matters are added into each other, due to space between the matter particles and their continuous movement, the particles of different matter mixed into each other. Such intermixing of particles into each other is called diffusion. And the rate of diffusion also increases with the temperature. That's why the smell of lighted fume stick or hot sizzling food reaches up to several meters long, whereas to smell the cold food material we have to go close to it. This is because when the food is hot, temperature is high, their movement, kinetic energy of the particle is high, movement of particle is also high, and rate of diffusion increases. So we can say when the food material or fumistic is lighted, food material is hot, temperature is high, and rate of diffusion is high. That's why it reaches up to several meters long. The third characteristic of matter particle is that matter particle have attraction between them. So particles of matter have force of attraction between them, which keeps them together. And the strength of this force, attraction force, varies with the kind of material. अलग अलग मटेरियल में ये फोर्स की स्ट्रेंथ अलग अलग होती है. जैसे गैसियस पार्टिकल्स के बीच अट्रैक्शन नेग्लिजिबल होता है, लिक्विड पार्टिकल्स के बीच अट्रैक्शन मिडिल लेवल का होता है, सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स के बीच अट्रैक्शन स्ट्रांग होता है। Therefore, that's why a diver is able to cut the water in a swimming pool because the interparticle attraction is less and he is able to cut it, but after the passing the particles of water get together due to redevelopment of their force of attraction. So these are the characteristics of the matter particles.